I suppose it's quite safe to expect that most people have used Google before, but only a few of us recognize that we are able to use Google to make quite a bit of money online. Sure, you heard that proper numerous people just use Google for random searches, and they may be no longer getting paid any money at all for doing that. However, there are quantity of people who are taking benefit of this Google trick right now, and they're making quite a few cash online. In this video, I will be revealing the secret and the whole lot little by little for free. In way of using this trick, you can make numerous cash online from everywhere within the global for truly free. That is genuinely a very easy technique that you will honestly love. But before we go further to this video, welcome to the Easy Cash Money Daily channel, where we will teach you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. Now let's get back to the video. Here's the website that we'll be using. If we combine this with Google, then we can make lots of coins. Now pay interest due to the fact I need to reveal to you precisely how a whole lot of cash you may earn with this website. There are so many possibilities to earn if we keep scrolling down. You might just start to assume that there are actually unlimited opportunities in which you could use this trick and you could make thousands of dollars again and again. All you need is the easy Google tool. I'm able to guarantee you that it is without a doubt a reputable internet site. They have partnered with a number of the most important brands online, and by that I imply brands like Pepsi, Nestle, Johnson & Johnson, Spotify, and even Microsoft. Now, on top of the homepage on this internet site, I want you to go and click on this button over here. And now I want you to click on this button on top, log in or sign up. Click on this, and this is wherein you can join up for a free account. Click on I do not have an account, and then come over to this webpage in which you could put in your first name, last name, your area, email address, and your password. Pick out your birth date and your gender. Now for the following skill areas, I exceptionally endorse you to pick above average on those 3 scales and make certain you check the terms and conditions and privacy coverage. Click on I am not a robot. Then you can simply pass on and click on this blue sign in button. Once you're done, you can log in your account, and right away you can see that there are a ton of various projects and demanding situations that you can join in, and through that, you can make a whole lot of cash online. You may see here the numerous special categories that they have to offer. Right here you see computer science, food science, business, and even engineering, and those others too. Now we will set all of those aside, because I want you to focus on this brand new category, which is computer science. Click on computer technology, and the internet site is simply going to clear out and display you all the tasks and challenges relating to computer technology. Now, these projects and demanding situations are going to pay you the very best sum of money. You can see right here as an example. This challenge right here will pay you an awful lot of money, and all you have to do is move ahead and click on the hyperlink. You are then going to be added over to this page wherein they are going to invite you to this query so you can just write a solution. Post it, and then you definitely are going to get paid by way of doing just that. Right here we will see that there are a variety of submissions, and that there are people who receive a commission with the aid of submitting an answer on this website, and you may do precisely the same thing as well. Before we go any deeper, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you've loved the video thus far. And if you found this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. It's now time to get back to work and earn some money. Right here's the easy Google trick that I've been speaking about. I need you to move back to Google and look for Google Docs. Now just click on the primary link, which is Google Docs free online documents. It'll then take you to this page wherein you may begin a clean sheet. You can truly start typing your answer on this Google document, and then you can submit this one so you can make money online. By submitting a Google document with your solutions to this query, you can actually make a whole lot of money. Now you don't need to worry due to the fact this is going to be a totally smooth method. Go back to mindsumo.com, then highlight this question and copy. Then we are going to move back to Google and paste the keyword, then search. Now Google will assist us with the solution to this query. We will see a result from Quora.com. Right here, we will simply click on that hyperlink and it's going to take us to Quora.com, in which humans put up answers to a number of extraordinary questions. With any luck, hopefully we will find a good answer to the query in order that we will submit that to make money online. Once we discover a suitable sufficient answer, all we have to do is just go in ahead and highlight it, then copy, after which we pass to our Google Docs. Then we are going to paste the solution right here. Now we will just leave that for a bit whilst we move back to Google. Now what we are going to do is look for more distinctive solutions that we can combine and put up. While we do this, we will surely provide you with a complete expert solution that we will then post on mindsumo.com. The trick is to just search for cohesive points from solutions that we will find through searching on Google, and put them all collectively on this Google document. It truly is that easy. We can do this again and again and get all of the answers from special websites and simply paste the whole thing in Google Docs. Now list it up because that is a bonus tip for you. Make sure to exchange the name of your Google Doc to MindSumo Challenge, then include the title of the question. Just go back to mindsumo.com and then we are going to copy the question and paste it as the title of the Google document. Now for the body of the Google document, we're going to make the font length large so that it appears longer. I'm going to center this document, then put a bit of spacing down below and proofread the rest of the textual content. When you have greater answers for the query here, simply add it in. Now after you've completed making your solution, you can simply continue on and click on the file, then click download. You have to make sure you choose PDF document when you download it. Simply click on this link here and it's going to download onto your PC. However, you may do that on your smartphone as well. Now once this is accomplished, we are able to see how very professional looking in any respect may be very much worth submitting to the MindSumo Challenge, and definitely that's it. That is how you may start creating money online by taking advantage of this new Google trick for mindsumo.com. Remember all that because there are lots of various challenges and initiatives that you can be part of. And that's it. If you love similar content like this, take a look at my other videos, and if you like it, please smash the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. If you have any further questions, feel free to comment down below. See you in the next video.